Hello all, my name is Kayomarz and I'm trainer from WiseMonkeys. So in this tutorial we will create a basic shape, a pencil in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So as you have seen a basic shape called bottle in the last class. So now in this session we will create a pencil. So very first of all go into file, new, take a new file. Let's take a A4 page, make it a landscape and click OK. So before starting, very first of all take a rectangle for a pencil. After taking a rectangle, over here make the fill color as none. Go into edit, copy and paste in place. So let's paste this on the top. So you get two copies and let's scale it from here using a free transform tool. So press Alt and resize the shape over here using a free transform tool. So after doing this, you can click outside. As you can see, you have two shapes. One is a shape and the other shape is inside. After doing this, let's take a rectangle over here. Let's take a rectangle. Click outside. Let's take a rectangle over here. Select this direct selection tool. Select this both the anchor points which are at the bottom, and you have an option over here, horizontal align center. So you can click over here for horizontal align center. After doing this, let's go into the pen tool. You have an option over here called add anchor point tool. So what we can do over here is you can add some anchor points over here, over here. After adding this anchor points, you can select this, shift select this anchor points and push this up. Select the shape, add an anchor point at the center and select the shape and push it down. Again add an anchor point over here and here. Select this, shift select this and you can push the shape on the top. So now again you can take a rectangle or a square, select the bottom points and horizontal align center. So click over here, horizontal align center and switch this and you can resize it. So after resizing it, you can push this over here okay. So if it is not proper, what you can do is you can select this point, shift select this point and you have an option over here called scale tool, so you can easily scale it from here. That's it. So now you can zoom out. So select the outer shape over here, go over here and you can take a color. Select the inner shape and you can give a color. Select this shape and you can give a color, light yellowish tone. So click over here, you can push it over here a bit down. So now after doing this, you can come on to the top, take a rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, give a white color. You can give a fill as a white, go on to the top, and you can add some anchor points over here. We can select this, shift select this, this and this, and push this up. So you can use this options over here. Now select the shape, again click over here. You can select this, the outer rectangle, and add some anchor points to it. Select this and this and push it up. Select this too, anchor points, and push this over. So now select this and let's remove the border. You can remove the border. If you don't require the border, you can easily remove the border. Select this, go into object, and you have option called group. So you can easily group this particular pencil and you can resize it a bit. And you can put it over here like this. So as you can see, we have created a vector pencil, a flat vector. So now you have a pen tool, just draw a basic shape using a pen tool and switch this color from fill to stroke. Go into edit, copy, edit, paste in place, and go into the text, and there is option called type on a path. So you can write pencil for smooth writing, or you can say for smooth drawing. So as you can see, the text is coming on a path. Select the text and you can increase the font size. So you have a text. So as you're drawn with this, select this whole element, group it, and you can resize it over here if you want it. That's it. So as you can see over here, so this is totally a vector based. So whenever you zoom it, it will never get any kind of pixelation over here. So that's the use of your Adobe Illustrator. So thanks for watching this tutorial.